I want to prove this relationship using mathematical induction. So first I will start when n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, the left hand side becomes 1 cube, because 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1, and right hand side also becomes, so this is 1, and right hand side becomes 2 times 1 minus 1, so that's actually 1 times 1, so that's 1. Now when n is equal to k, where k is any integer, and this one when, so basically this one actually r is 1 to n here, that means n can have any value from 1 to greater than n, I mean 1 to greater than 1 and greater than 1 basically. So when n is equal to k, which is any integer greater than or equals to 1, we assume that left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our left hand side becomes 1 cube, and when r is 2 it becomes 4 minus 1, so that's 3 cubes. So basically all the even numbers plus up to 2 to the power k minus 1, so that's a series there, cube, and that will be equal to 2 square k square minus 1. So this we are assuming, and then we are seeing what happens when n is equal to k plus 1. So let's look at the left hand side. It becomes 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 2k minus 1 whole cube plus 2k minus k plus 1 and then minus 1 whole cube. So this one will be, actually the bracket will be here. So basically the first part, this one is the k when n is equal to k, this is the left hand side, so this one will be equal to the right hand side when n is equal to k. So we can, instead of the series, the whole series, we can write the right hand side from here. So it becomes k square plus 2k square minus 1, and this part becomes 2k plus 2, so this will become 2k plus 1 whole cube. So that is the left hand side now, and that's the product, sorry, here. So we can get rid of the brackets and just multiply, so it becomes 2 to the power 2k to the power 4 minus k square, and this one will be, if we apply the a plus b whole cube formula, it becomes 8k cube plus 3 times 2k square times 1 plus 3 times 2k times 1 square plus 1 cube, like that. So this is 2k to the power 4 minus k square plus 8 cube here, and this one will become 4k square times, so that's 12k square, and this one will become plus 6k, and this is 1. So we can write 2k to the power 4 plus 8k cube plus 11k square, since this one and this one, plus 6k plus 1. So this is the left hand side. Let's leave it here and look, let's look what happens to the right hand side when n is equal to k plus 1. So the right hand side becomes k plus 1 whole square plus 2k plus 1 whole square minus 1, and that's the product here, sorry. So this one becomes k square plus 2k plus 1 there, and this side becomes 2k square plus 4k plus 2 minus 1. So we can write k square plus 2k plus 1, and this is 2k square plus 4k plus 1, like that. Now if we multiply this one, multiply the whole thing with 2k square first, so it becomes 2k to the power 4 plus 4k cube plus 2k square, then multiply with this one the whole thing, so it will become plus 4k cube plus 4k times 2k will be 8k square plus 4k times this one. Finally multiply the whole thing, this whole thing with 1, so it becomes just, it remains just the same, 2k plus 1. Now if we add it, we will see, add the like terms, of course, 2k to the power 4, and here 4k cube, 4k cube, so becomes 8k cube, and then 2k square 8k square, and then there is a k square. So 2, 8, 1 is 11k square, plus we have 4k and 2k, so that's 6k plus 1. Now we see that this is the left hand side, same. The left hand side was this one, and the right hand side is also the same. So basically we have shown that the relationship is true when n is equal to k plus 1. So it is proved using mathematical induction, the relationship.